Rudy started barking, woke us up. Look all the bedroom windows so we see. Daddy bought him. And they raced and he ended up in a spot over here, mowed a tree over. And then he got right away healed to nail his ass and into jail. And Tammy, yeah, she got into that too. She doesn't get vaccinated, didn't get vaccinated either because she had with cancer and everything else. I don't need any more shit in my body. And then she didn't watch anything happen and tell me doing.
Puppy. And mommy do that.
Second bout, yeah, I think she is now. She has second bout she went through. A big cabin, a log cabin. And he said, now the place that now, we did not pack. We did not pack. No, we're going renting. We haven't decided what we're going to do yet. So we did not pack everything just till we need it. That was it.
No biting. No biting.
We're with 3 kids of our own. Yeah. Wait. Now show you a picture? Show you a picture there?
It's in a picture.
You're sleeping? Are you biting? Hi, puppy. Look at you. Eh? Oh.
My bike sold. Several people phoned about it. As far as it got. We did it to the back of here. Almost actually. Yeah. You look at him 2-3 years, eh? He's in jail or where he's at, who knows?